We're tired though. We're tired. No.
Come.
Yeah.
Hello, good morning, where do you came from? Perfect stranger I've been waiting on. Right place at the right time, nobody can tell me you ain't mine. Yeah, to be honest, I've never been this bold. Your personality, it warms my soul. All they ever do is lie to you, baby, tell them other bye-bye. Yeah, come over here, so I know you love my accent.
Island. Look how you pull up your bed, Brethren. Come here.
No.
Oi. Hey, listen to me. Put on your socks. You wanna go to the park or not? Put on your socks. Listen to me now. I'm not the pan where you're the pan. Give me a foot. Oi. I swear to boy. Yo, give me a foot now, man. Brethren. We can't deal with that. Yo, give me a foot. Brethren. Why tickle yourself now, man? Yo. You see you? Stop here. Yo. Brethren. Where you go? You wanna go to the park or not? Island, let's go to the park. Huh? Go to the park? Yo. What am I gonna do with you? Yo. We can't put down the man's socks. Up to this man here. Yo, me say put on your socks and stop yourself trouble. You get trouble, sir. You get trouble, sir. You get trouble, sir. You get trouble, sir. Oh, you get trouble, sir. You get trouble, sir, little boy. Where do we the next socks? Where do we the next put our socks? Where may I tell you, sir? May I get hot? May I start sweat because of that boy? Let's go to the park. Yo. Ah, boy. We're tired though. We're tired. No. That's enough though. That's enough. Come on. Alright, let's put on the shoes then. Wanna put on shoes? Let's go. Oh my god. Alright, no socks. Let's just put on shoes. But that's our waste time in a virgin. Oi, you think you're skilling it? Oi.
No.
Island. You want me to go left you then? Huh?
Mommy.
You want me to left you alone then?
No.
Stop, twist your foot. Come on. Let's go.
Okay, Daddy.
Let's go to the park.
Sorry, Daddy.
That's alright. Virgin, may I start sweating, you know that?
Yeah.
Yeah, you're not sorry for me.
I'm put sock.
But a while ago, I try to put on socks and you there and fight me.
I'm put sock.
Ah, boy. You know if you get trouble. You know if you get trouble. All these socks are reach over there, so by the way. After you tired me out, eh? Now you want to put on your shoes, huh? Give me a foot. You ready?
Yeah.
Come on.
Hey.
Yay. So we're at the park now. Oh, it's full of water, Bobo. Pure water.
I come
No, try another one. There's more down here. Look.
okay.
Yeah. Yeah.
I think
Too much water, Bobo. Okay, I'm coming.
Oh,
Oh, this one?
yeah.
Okay. Oh, ball.
Yeah, boom.
Yay. Wanna play ball?
Yeah.
You wanna slide? Huh? You wanna go on the slide?
No,
What I thought you just did. You say you wanted to.
I'm boom.
Oh, you wanna play ball now? Ooh. Get ball. Where's ball?
There.
Ah. What about your football?
Listen,
Go get your football.
listen.
Where did you put it?
I know.
You don't know?
Idea.
Oh, you have an idea?
Yeah.
Okay.
Oh.
Go get it then. Oh, you found it. Good. Alright, let's go. Yay. So you left the ball, the football now and going back to your cricket ball? You don't know what you want to do, you know? Huh? Yeah? Which one of them you want to play with? Which one of them you want to play with? So a cricket ball you want to Yeah?
Guys, see me.
Play this one, this one. Big one, big one. This one. Alright, kick this one. Alright. Star ball a bobo this one. Star ball a bobo. Watch your youth. You see that? You don't know what I've done, but wait. A wicked baller. Alright. Watch it. Catch ball, youth. Let's see, a keeper your turn now. Eh? Give me a ball. Give me a ball. Give me a ball. Kick. Kick. A cricket ball they want to play there all the time, bro. Look, look. Get the ball. Kick. Kick, Bobo. Just mother, man. How you run, go? Eh? Give me ball. Oi. Kick. If you never find it's a cricket ball, there's something wrong. Kick. Where you going with this now? Hmm? Where you going with now?
Oh, coffee.
Oh,
Yeah, coffee.
you tired?
Oh, no, sir.
Mm-hmm. You tired now? Ready to play more ball?
Yeah.
Alright.
Okay. This one. This one. No, this one. Oh, this.
Yeah?
This. Come on.
Okay.
Let it turn. Let it turn. Let it turn.
Yep. Bubba turn.
Oh, I want to do.
Your arms them too short. Can't reach.
This.
So you need to grow a little taller.
Hand. Give me hand.
You want to grow some more?
Give me more.
You want to grow some more?
More.
Look, by extension of my hand, you reach. Ooh.
I can't be here.
Yay, big jump. Yeah, go on. You want to bring it up? You sure that one is too high, you know? But yeah, oh yeah, go swing pan that. You first?
Yeah.
Let me see what I go on. Hold on. Hold on. You got this. Bro, you're man strong, man. Man strong. Watch out, watch out. Watch out, watch out. Let go. You hold on?
Yeah.
Alright. Hold on, Papa. Come on. You got this, you got this. Yay, look at that boy.
Yeah, fun.
Fun, eh? Alrighty. Hi, Bobo.
Hi, baby.
Where are you? I can't see you. Where?
Dad.
Hi, look. Look in the camera. Look in the camera. That boy. Yes, sir. Them fly left you. Man, no one play no football to right. Huh? I will tell him to find this a cricket ball, man.
I'm play all.
A big kids them there.
Play all.
A big kids them there, them a play them one game.
I play too.
Them a play basketball. You can't play with them.
Please.
Them we bounce you over. Bobo. Island. What's wrong? Huh? They're playing their own game. You're playing with Dada. You're playing with Dada here. Let's go play ball. Come.
Yes!
Let's go play some ball?
Yes!
Alright, let's go.
Hey! There's the ball!
There it is.
There?
There's the ball.
There?
There.
There? Okay, I need the ball.
Okay.
There's the ball.
Look. In front of you, look.
Huh?
There.
There's the ball.
Right here, look.
What's here? No, what's here? What's here?
That the ball you want to play, Richard.
What's here? What's here? What's here?
Okay, that's it.
Yeah, it's this.
Alright. Yeah. And Bubba go.
Daddy.
You're welcome, Bubba. Get the ball, get the ball. Get the ball, Bubba. Try you what? What the money I don't want. What you want? What you do? Kick, kick, kick. Kick the ball. Kick it. Kick. Kick, kick. No hands. Foot. 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 Go on. Kick, kick, kick.
Me.
Island, use your foot. Kick the ball. Kick the ball. Kick. Alright, kick. Island, put it on the ground. Kick. Yay! Watch out. Watch out. Hey boy. Hey boy. Hey boy, get up. Hey boy, get up. You tired? Huh? You can't even stand up. Look why you're tired. Yeah? Look why you're tired. Alright. Big baller. Big baller. Huh? Alright. Get your skills them, get your skills them, get your skills them, get your skills them. Alright. Alright, I see the one there. I see the one there. Alright, ready. Ready when you're ready. Yeah. Alright. Bubble for the win. Yeah. Control. What do you youth? Bobo skills unleash. Bobo skills unleash. Ooh. Big drop?
Yeah.
Alright, get up. That's how it go. That's how it go, you have fun. Now you got to cricket ball again. Alright, sir.
Come.
Yeah. A future baller this for Argentina / Jamaica, you know? Put down that stick, put it down. Island, that's not safe. Give it to me. Thank you. That's not safe. Hey, careful with that one of us, mister. Play ball. out so loud.
Da!
Da.
Da!
Island boy, let's go home now.
No hand!
Why?
Come on!
Why you don't want to go home?
Come on!
You still want to play ball?
No, come on!
Alright, I'm here. Where are you?
Thank you, Daddy.
Okay, thank you. You ready to go home?
No hand.
So you still want to play ball, Bridget?
Give me back.
What?
Come on. Come on, baby.
Alright, may I follow? Where you take me go now? Where you go? You want to climb this?
No. No. I can't eat. Always.
Where you go?
Always.
Huh?
Always. Come on.
Where you go?
Come on.
This again?
No, this guy.
Huh? You want me go?
No.
Where?
Daddy.
Daddy on there.
Daddy.
Okay, I understand now. Alright, so.
Hey.
Alright. Daddy will go.
Hey.
Okay, Daddy will go.
Hey.
Oh boy.
Give me mine.
Huh?
My too.
So you wanna hold the camera? You sure you're gonna film me good? Alright, hold the camera on me. Hold the camera on me.
Mommy.
Island.
Me fish.
Hey. No, it's very delicate. It's very delicate.
No, mine too.
Jeez and peace. Island.
too.
Listen, this camera.
Mine too.
If you-
Mine too.
if you-
Come on.
If you drop it, it'll broke. Hear me, I tell you?
No, mine too.
Island, listen to me.
No, mine
The
too.
camera is very delicate, Island. You're not ready for it yet.
Give me mine.
Island.
Give me.
Island, G's and P's. I cannot give you this camera, Island. Island, come on.
Give me.
Island, please just hold it properly. Don't drop it, please.
Okay.
Alright, hold it properly. Alright. You want to look at yourself? You want to look at yourself? Look. Turn it around. Hold it. Look at yourself. That's you right there. Okay? Yeah, that's
He
you.
here. He here. Oh, I'll get it.
Hold it properly now.
Okay.
Bobo vlogging. What are you doing now?
No.
Water is in there. Don't hold it over there.
Okay. Apple.
Tell them thanks for watching.
Apple.
Yeah, so we're gonna close out today's video.
Yeah.
Yeah, you had a fun time?
Give me.
You had a fun time?
Give me.
Alright.
Cheers.
Talk.
Hee hee. Hee hee. Hee hee.
Boy, man, I have to find the camera for me.
Hee hee.
You know some shy idea, yeah?
Hee hee.
Let me give this video a thumbs up. Yay! So, we're going home now?
No.
What do you mean no?
Uncle.
So you still want to play ball, Virgin?
No.
Make you go home.
Uncle here. There.
Go home, go fresh up and all, ready?
Uncle here.
Alright guys, so yeah, hope you all enjoy this video with Bobo. You know, he's the main star of today's video. Yeah man, so yeah, please give this video a thumbs up if you enjoy. If you want to see more, let me know down in the comment section. Until next time, it's Island Boy, Africa. Way out.
Hi guys. Hi guys.